Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Wednesday catch up. On a Wednesday night, lately I've been putting a new video up, a casting video mainly, which really has had some fantastic response. I'm going to put a new video up tonight. This time it's not a casting video, it's a video of a steam engine, a Robey steamroller. You've probably seen quite a lot of video of this engine on my channel. It's one of the engines I used to use to run my stationary steam engines off. Sadly, the owner, Phil Moody, passed away yesterday. He's been suffering with cancer for quite some time, and never once have I heard the man complain. He just got on with it. Phil, without a doubt, is the kindest, most generous person I've ever met in my life. A really nice, straightforward, genuine guy, very knowledgeable, and he enjoyed passing his knowledge on. He taught me a great deal about steam. A really nice guy. The sort of bloke that he would share his dinner with you, literally. He's done it with me before. So I'd just like to show this video. There's a little bit of a sort of mark of respect to Phil Moody. The steam engine family, like quite a tight group. Everybody knows everybody else, and everybody knew Phil Moody. And I've never ever had anybody say a bad word about him. That's enough talk, because I can't say much more. Let's get on with the video.
forward and backwards really quickly. Now you may wonder why you want a steamroller goes forward and backwards really quickly. Well, when you're rolling tarmac, you don't stop on the tarmac because it marks the tarmac. This engine has a fast forward reverse, which if I go up and do it nicely, it will demonstrate forward reverse. You can see here, now it's chucking the throttle, literally run the engine forward and backwards, and these rollers will launch out specifically from tarmac. Now, in the case of the Robey company, they get planned to design a roller to roll tarmac. Well, they actually tried to design a steam wagon. And it was such a disaster that the staff of Robey went, actually, never make a steam wagon, we've got an idea. Come up with a design for a tarmac roller. What's also unusual about the Robey standard roller is, you can clearly travel around the arena that it's got a chassis from the front to the rear. All the other steam track engine rollers that are on the rally field today do not have an independent chassis. The advantage of the standard roller that you see here is
certainly happy memories for me. There's been no adverts on this video, and if you look in the description box, it hasn't got the normal links to my Patreon channel, nothing like that. It has got one link, and it's a link to the NHS prostate cancer site. Please lads, have a look at it. Any of the symptoms, see your doctor, because prostate cancer is the most common cancer in men. It's treatable in its early stages, and you can have years and years, but if you let it go and you ignore the symptoms, not good. Anyway, I'm sorry it's a little bit sort of a sad video. It's not meant to be sad, it's meant to be like a celebration. Anyway, thanks for watching.